Hello people, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a short video on how to make Ankara hairband. So what we're going to be needing, we're going to need Ankara material about 4 to 5 inches wide and 20 to 22 inches long. We are also going to need an elastic band of about 9 inches long as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold the Ankara material into two, allowing the front side, like the right side, you fold the right side inside and the wrong side will be out when you fold the material into two. And we're going to sew a straight line on the side. The line from the side, you leave a little space on at the top and also at the bottom of the Ankara material when you sew the straight line. So now after you finish sewing the line, okay, now you turn the material into the other side. You take the material, you turn it into the right side. Now you put the wrong side back inside. Now the right side is what you're bringing out of the, you're basically bringing the right part of the material out now. So that's what we're going to be doing. So now what you do is take both ends of the material, you place them on each other. First and foremost, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to straighten the edges. Now we cut off the excess thread. So what we do is you take both ends of the material and you place them on top of each other, putting the right side of both materials will be on top of each other, both right, like right to right, and back, the wrong part of the material is away from each other, so you sew that place round. So after sewing there, you just basically all you need to do is, there will be a little slit. Now that you remember the slit we left, now that space would make an opening at the side of the material. So it's usually easier to use the safety pin with the elastic, but I don't have a safety pin, so I just went ahead tie a knot on the elastic, so it will be easy for me to pull out. So when you put the elastic in, when you get to the end, for you not to pull out the edge, you secure the edge to the material and then you keep pulling out the elastic. So basically it's very easy. It's a 4-minute video. You don't even need that much time to do this, believe me. Now after you pull out both edges, you just tie the elastic, and then you remember the little slit where you pass the elastic through. You just put it together and you sew, and we are done. That is basically it for the Ankara hairband. That is it. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If it's your first time, please like, subscribe, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're a returnee, thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you make the video, please let me know how it came out, and also please share the videos with friends. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching.